So everyone, I will show you kasi kami magdi-dinner. Alam mo, Diyos ko, parang catering na hindi ko bongga. So ito yung pinaka, yan. So ngayon dito, yan, ito pa lang yung mga plates. And then ito naman yung mga appetizer. Yan. Ito mahanghang to kasi eh. Yan, mahanghang yan. Yan, chili, parang chili paste yung ganun. So yan, mga appetizer yan, diba? Ang dami. Grabe. Hindi ko kinakaya. Tapos ito yung mga salad naman. Grabe yung mga salad niya, everyone. Ang dami. Ito yung parang suman. Meron din pala dito noon. Tapos yun. And then ito naman. Grabe. Yan. Meron siyang crouton sa loob. And then konting pa salad na maraming salad yan. Tapos ito yan. Yan. Ito kasi Greek yogurt to. Gatas yan. Gatas ng kambing o something yan. Pero yogurt na bongga yan. Tapos ito, merong beets. Yan, may beets yan sila. Ayan, tapos yun. And then ito pa rin. So, mayroon pa rin yan. Puro appetizer pa lang yan, everyone. Tapos yung puro salad. And then the sili itself. Ang dami. Tapos may croutons. And then ito naman yung I think takina, I think this one. Yan. And then ito naman, ito yung mga food.
Let's open and get my food.
Yes.
When it's open, let's see the dishes.
And what's this?
White rice.
This is the white rice.
This
yes.
is what Filipinos love.
This is pure copper?
Yes.
Copper and then stainless.
Put your hand.
Ah.
Yeah, well.
Copper and the stainless, yes.
Yes.
And this one is the, I think Java rice, I think. I
White.
think this one is Java rice.
Java rice.
The soup.
No, it's not the soup.
The okra soup.
Okra soup. Okra
Yes.
soup.
Yes, the okra soup. Yes. That is the okra soup. And this one,
This one,
I think pasta?
pasta.
Yeah, this is pasta. Yes. And this one is the,
This
yes,
one, it
is
will be
the-
part of the head dishes.
Yes. The main dish?
No, the main dishes will be there.
This one. So yun, nakatapos na po siya.
Here it's the sweet.
Yeah, this is the sweet.
Here part of the sweet.
Yeah, what kind of sweet is this?
This is jelly.
Yeah, the jelly.
Yeah.
Only the
But
simple
it's
jelly, the
still,
cookies.
there are,
Also, this one is jelly.
No, this is. To be honest, I don't know. The chef knows
okay.
what is fruit over there.
And this
Some
one.
sweet. Still, there are 3 or 4 types of the sweet. It's not coming
Nice.
yet.
It's a lot of food.
Yeah, it's a lot of food and it's open buffet. 25 types of salads, my friend.
I saw it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. So, ayun, until doon, grabe. Ang daming, ang dami. Hanggang doon, Ang dami, sobra. So, yan mga kasama ko. So, yan mga kasama. Kakain na naman kami. Grabe. So, I think kung nabilang ko mga nasa 20 type of dishes ng mga salad pa lang. Yon. And then mga 2 to 3 types of desserts ang naroon. Pero may gulaman na naman kaming diba? Na gulaman. Yes. Diba?
Bakit di kami makakamit?
Ano ba? Pinatanggal ko na.
Sama mo. Ano, bakit? Hindi ko makita.
So, mag-iintay lang kami ng show. Yung show na yung Pugo, Malfuna? Mafuna? Mafuna. Ibig sabihin, wag kayong pupuna, ha? It's mapuna.
Walang bashing.
Oo, walang bashing. In short, no bashing. Mafuna. Yes.
Parang
Maganda talagang kumuha yan ng yung